What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. So it's shit weather, there isn't really anything to go out and do. For Christmas I bought Claire one of those maps that you stick on the wall, the wooden ones, and you put pins in. So we're going to put that up and then we're going to chuck the pins on and we're going to flash to all the really cool places that we've been, aren't we? Yeah. We did start making a vlog last week, and part of the vlog was taking the jet ski out down the river behind our house and flying the drone from the house to come down and chase us. We got some really cool drone videos, but then we got stuck in mud, the tide went out, and we had to get rescued by Coast Guard and Fire and Rescue because the jet ski wouldn't move. So that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We weren't allowed to record either, so we kind of just ended the video there. But I can show a few clips from it. It was fun until that point.
Yes.
What are we doing now? We have a new human now. Doesn't do much, does it? How are we doing?
We're putting up
These pins are cool, isn't they?
We have these things, and then we've got these things. This one keeps coming out.
Right, we're going to put it on this wall here. So we can take the map down, we can move my monitor, we can measure up and put the template on, and then go from there. See what that is?
So what was that?
Jigsaw.
No.
Yeah. High five.
Oh.
Africa.
Aeroplane.
We've almost run out of red tape, so we're super gluing the little islands on. You look good? Get in there. We finished?
Hello. I'm very short.
I've got to put
I'm
pins.
so excited. I know where the tricky one is.
Where are we?
At the Acropolis.
I'll do a couple. What do you think?